Introducing the Halfords Advanced 2-tonne Trolley Jack, available from Halfords for £120 or less if on special offer.
So let's have a look at it. Lovely handle. That is big, and that is nice actually. That is proper. Let's more handle. Let's get it out. God, that's heavy. That's not going to be practical. Let's get that last bit of packaging off. Make sure you recycle. Now that is certainly an impressive looking jack. My first impressions are that it's very, very sturdy. It weighs an absolute ton. Handles, as you can see here, that looks nice and strong. It's got a nice big grab handle on it. I don't think I'm going to have any more problems. I've had some really naff jacks in the past that have been completely useless, and I don't think this is one of them. I think this is going to serve me well. So let's get it all assembled. We'll start by putting the old handle on, and then we'll go and lift up a car. So we've got a handy set of instructions. Definitely going to read them. Got a little warning sign. What does that say? Caution, spring loaded, depress with palm of hand and keep fingers well clear. I'll do that, don't you worry. Let's get our handle all assembled then. This is exciting. Assembly certainly doesn't look to be too difficult. You get a little bag of screws here with nuts on, looking like Allen key headed, and then probably a 10mm. There's my 10mm. We'll put all this together, we'll assemble it, and then we're going to lift up a car. Should we lift this one? It's quite big. Who knows? So we're going to get these handles put together along with the main handle. Let's have a quick unboxing of that one. Oh, look at that. Nice big handle. Let me show you. So basically what you've got is holes on this one and holes on this one. They go together, and you've got little screws over there which you bolt in to keep that nice and safe. I'll just do that now. So if I may just show you here, we've got two holes which these two silver ones go through. They slot through in there. What's interesting is it's actually threaded slightly on the other side. So I'll get my favourite little toolkit on that, and we'll tighten all that up.
I mean, let's quickly talk about the quality of Halfords tools. I've never personally had an issue. I think they're very convenient in that they've got stores in every town. You can see from this, it's solid, it's secure. Their professional range is brilliant. Oh, sorry, advanced range is brilliant. The one thing I really like is they've got an absolutely no quibble, or I've never had any problems returning any items. You know, I actually went through all my stuff that I've had for about 10-15 years the other day, and got together a load of broken sockets and Torx bits and took them into Halfords, a couple of broken ratchets, and they just replaced them absolutely without any issue. So yeah, they've always got a thumbs up from me for tools.
So if you have a look in the end of this, it's like an 1/2-inch drive. That slots into the similar, or the male side of this inside. Let me grab the camera and I'll show you. Basically that's what fits into it and gives you all the control over it. Quite simply, once you've got all that handle together, it is a case of dropping this into the jack. Now, as you can see here, you've got this little knob here, which you can tighten up properly, and then they've got a quick lift that allows you to lift up the base of the jack using your foot to get it to a level where you can start pumping by hand. And then you quite simply just go with the handle, and that's how you lift it. And again, to lower it, quite simple, you just turn it to the left and it goes down. Let's see what it's like at lifting a car then. Okay, I think the low profiles really come in handy here. Just going to move this up.
It's really smooth, it's minimal effort to lift the car up. You could do it one-handed. It's really handy having that little foot pump as well, just to get the jack to a level where you can start doing it by hand. I've left this part of the video in real time just so that you can get an impression of how long it would take to jack up your car. It's a 320 BMW, it's probably the weight of a standard modern day car, maybe a bit heavier because it's convertible. But yeah, it's really, really nice to use. We'll have a quick peek at the underneath. Now, what's important that you know is that at no point did I get under this car while it was on just the jack. If you're lifting your car, always use axle stands. Don't be tempted. You're just doing a quick job to stick it on a jack. Certainly not anything weaker than this anyway. They're designed to go up and down, so you really don't want something to start going down whilst you're under it. But thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe. If you didn't, a bit of constructive criticism, thank you very much.